Hey guys, my name is Elena, I'm a graphic designer and this is a new part of my channel and it's called Easy Way 2. Here I'm going to show you short 1 or 2 minutes tutorials with tips and tricks in Adobe Illustrator. And today I'm going to create a realistic shadow behind a paper. If you're interested, please continue to watching. Let's start. This is our workspace. Copy and paste our paper and send it backward. Please don't delete selection and move a new paper down. Let's create a gradient for shadow. Our gradient is ready, and now let's make it more realistic. That's all guys, our shadow is ready. Hope you like my tutorial. If yes, subscribe and give me a like. See you soon. Bye bye.